my name is Tom, and welcome to my shop. In this episode, I'm going to replace the top of this Festool vacuum. It's held on by 4 screws, which are T25s, and I'm going to tell you a little history about this. I bought this in 2013 with the router package. I was doing a lot of plastic laminate cabinets, and it was a big remodel job too, and also bought the drywall sander with that. And in 2018, the sander top started falling apart, so I ended up having to order, and I bought 2 because I knew at one time I was going to have to replace this one. But I've got a Craftsman vacuum that's 40 years old, and it's plastic, and it's not falling apart like this. This stuff is just brittle. There's something with this plastic. Like I was saying, we're going to replace this one because the plastic's just falling apart. We're going to remove the 4 screws. What I mean is just, I'd like to know if anybody else has the same problem. There we go. Like I said, it's just crumbling. So here's the box the new one came in. It said it should fit this model too, so let's hope it does. Yep, here it does. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to tighten them up. I got a safety torque on there too, so I don't go too hard. There we go. New top. All right. Sounds like an old model kit. Put it together.